Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, resume the work on a procedurally animated spider by Dawood. New procedural fire shader by Mika. Reviving the classical survival horror with Project Revival using GameDev HQ file assets by Ahmed. Want to learn how to build levels in Unity? Watch our new course, How to Make Beautiful Games in Unity, which is included in our Pro membership. Sign up today to get access to this course, as well as thousands of other ready-to-go Unity game assets. Use the code HDRP99 to knock 66% off the normal price of a yearly Pro membership. Infinite Spiders using Clayexels by Codir. Textures Not Required by Lucky Mountain Games. Skybox Shader in Action by Harry. The Glocks are getting some animation tweaks by George. Partying by Sakura Rabbit. First completed side mission with NPC interaction by Pyramid Lake Games. Enter the Matrix VR Effects by Enrique. A short gameplay video for Time Out by Chris ZY. Use your mana to slow time down by Blue vs. the World. Another Night on the Town, Ladies and Gents by Anno. New Trifox Space Boss Arena by Glowfish Interactive. Harvestable Seagrass now bends with the water's motion by Soaring Pixel Games. Fawn will not harm you as long as you behave nicely in the Serpent Rogue. The Desert Biome Hot Facepalm Tree by Balancing Monkey Games. Over 20 new finishers by Jacob. Walking Mech Doggo by Dennis. Procedurally generated low poly terrains by Kristen. Watch the full video in the link below. Here's a Burger by Vanillian Shortcake. Sneak peek into the Fisted Hand gameplay by Pocket Bravery. Finally, Working on Weapon Upgrades by Bat Galactic. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.